How's the Jennride 2018?
Well, whoop! Awesome crash. Nearly catastrophic.
How's the Jennride for you?
Awesome!
Yeah? Look where you're going. Mid-ride grass-made gingerbread. Chewy goodness. This is a tandem on the Jennride. What, he's going well?
Yeah, not too bad.
Yeah?
Not too bad. Done a fair bit of walking.
Oh, really?
Well, a bit. Split the tyre coming down Godin, but
Yeah.
we weren't the only ones.
I feel amazing.
I'm having a great evening.
I feel actually
We got entertainment.
quite happy.
Entertainment of them watching them trying to get over the stile, and then that look of envy on their faces as
Exactly.
they push past us.
Oh, they've stopped. Oh, I want to stop. Oh no. Morning of the Jennride. We've woken up, the sun has arisen, and it's 6:45.
Fresh.
What's your view on the cobbled road of death?
What do you want me to say, Barry? What more? All I've had, Barry, is smiles. Smiles bigger than yours, which is quite an achievement. So, hope you had a great time. I think we had 200 riders have had a brilliant time. They're all back next year. Are you back next year?
Yes.
Top man.
End of the Jennride, 100 miles and 4,400 metres of climbing, 2 days. Epic. Hopefully we'll see you all next year.
If I've recovered.